Welcome back, my awesome people. In today's episode, I will be highlighting why investing in the mining sector is one of the best opportunities in the future of investing. So stay tuned for all the reasons why. And as a bonus, I will be telling you what mining stocks that I am putting on my watch list. According to Goldman Sachs Group, mined commodities will be one of the best performing asset classes with returns of more than 40%. The Wall Street Bank said that while the first quarter may be bumpy due to economic weaknesses in the US and China, raw materials from oil to natural gas and metals will boost prices. Investing in the mining sector will not only diversify your portfolio, but also provide you with some amazing returns, especially when most of our day-to-day needs will require mining to get the resources needed for our day-to-day life. Investing in mining can be a lucrative experience. Love it or hate it, mining is crucial to social evolution, and it isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Think about it. Cleaning and greening the environment and the move to technologies that can help us live more sustainable lives all require minerals and metals that need to be mined. Graphite, magnesium, lithium, copper, nickel, and more are required to build electrical vehicles and other technologies. Mined materials are used to construct roads and hospitals. Those materials help to build the computers that you type on and generate the electricity that flows through your house. They are responsible for medical technologies that may one day save your life. So mining is highly valuable and a necessity. Now, the part that no one wants to hear about, the negatives of investing in the mining sector. Well, understanding the mining sector isn't always easy. Geological terms are sometimes only understood by the scientists and geologists, and understanding the terms used in the mining companies can be confusing. So make sure you are familiar with mining terminology. Also, the lack of information. While Google can be a great starting point for understanding a company, there are often things going on in a company that investors may not be aware of. And that's why today's video is sponsored by theresourcereport.com, an excellent and informative site for investors looking at finding out what's really going on in the mining industry. Minerals, natural resources, commodities, oil and gas, the list goes on and on. Let the Resource Report do the hard work for you of keeping you informed with what is going on daily within a few minutes, because the news in the mining sector is always changing, and you as an investor will need to be up to date always. It is also important to look outside the mainstream news articles. So visit the Resource Report for a more in-depth coverage of what is going on in the mining industry. So sign up to the Resource Report newsletter at theresourcereport.com and stay informed. So briefly, what is mining? Well, mining is the extraction of metals and minerals from the earth. There are 5 stages in the mining life cycle: exploration, discovery, development, production, and reclamation. Simple, right? Well, where it gets complicated is what those materials are used for and how they are extracted from the ground. All of those questions, especially from the environmental sector, can have a major effect on the share price. So make sure you choose your companies wisely. When looking for companies to invest in, you need to understand that they are generally divided into 3 categories: majors, mid-tiers, and junior. The juniors are small explorers and can be risky to invest in. They are typically low capital exploration companies looking for new deposits of natural resources and produce up to 300,000 ounces a year of a resource. Anything over that amount and they are moving into a mid-tier or major company. They are considered growth stocks and are at an early stage with the potential to make a discovery, whether whether it be gold, silver, lithium, magnesium, etc. So if you are looking to diversify your portfolio, these are your high risk, high return stocks. Best to invest in a few and spread the risk rather than putting all your potatoes in just one basket. Junior is defined by the following: a market cap of less than $500 million, is in the exploration and development phase, and produces less than 300,000 ounces a year. And it also has a high risk but high reward ratio. These junior stocks with the potential to grow and that are on my watch list include Cauldron Energy Limited, ticker symbol CXU, Core Lithium Limited, ticker symbol CXO, and Sunstone Metals Limited, ticker symbol STM. Now, the mid-tiers. If a company has outgrown its junior status but isn't big enough to be a major, it will generally fit into the mid-tier category. Mid-tier companies are defined as having a market cap of less than $1 billion, has an annual revenue of $50 million to $500 million, is diversified as it is developing more than one resource and mineral, and is in the development and production stage. These companies carry significant less risk than junior. And finally, the majors. These companies tend to operate mines with proven methods of mining, consistent output, and a global footprint. They tend to have a market cap of more than $1 billion, a revenue of more than $500 million a year with stable cash flow, and are well funded to produce and develop. The majors are your top line players such as Rio Tinto, ticker symbol RIO, and Glencore PLC, ticker symbol GLEN, which both are on my watch list. And as always, my awesome people, before investing in mining companies, you should do your own due diligence and seek financial advice and determine what types of companies or resources you would like to invest in. So Jacob Rant, what are you doing with the mining sector? Are you buying or just putting stocks on your watch list? Well, my awesome people, remember, no matter what kind of push there is for the eco-friendly alternative energy sector, mining provides the world with resources that we cannot live without. As I stated earlier, mined resources are the key to unlocking a more sustainable future. And with the increasing demand, paired with resources that are not infinite, equals increased share prices, which is great for investors like me. And by choosing the right companies to invest in can lead to big profits. And remember, my awesome people, just like all the information that I mentioned in my videos, assess your risk appetite, always diversify, and please do your own due diligence because I am just a clown on YouTube. Stay ranting!